back with some rally. And
Hell yeah.
so for some reason, when we do the rally series, like we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we went to 6 because 5 wasn't on there, but we're making up for it now. And this is kind of our test because we're going to put this on Embrace the Globe 21 to see if people come out for it. And if they don't, we'll just stick it back on Embrace the Suck 21.
Yep.
But those who've been following us a while know that rally is like one of the most fun things and most cringe things and most terrifying things and most exciting things to check out.
Yeah, 100%. I feel like that's one of the staples of the original Embrace the Suck 21. Like, when we were going through all of those niches, like we always stuck with motorsports.
Yeah, yeah. And Mr. M just does a really great job with these, just putting them together, just no BS and just pure sound.
Yep.
As it says in the title.
As it's parentheses, pure sound.
Exactly. Yep. Enough bullshit. You ready?
Let's go, man.
3, 2, 1.
200-ra palív, rajta jobb ívet kiengeded, és a balon, tehát a jobb ívet kiengeded a balon, és jobb egy szigorú, a jobb egy szigorú, a jobb egy szigorú.
Oh man, oh wow.
200-ra lassító sodor, lassító nagyon sodor.
I was going to say that is a textbook save right there.
That right. I thought he was gone. I thought he was gone. I saw that like ditch. I'm like, that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Man.
That's some good defensive driving right there.
Yeah.
Just good car control right there.
Sodor. Lassító, nagyon sodor.
Okay, that was an angle from the other side there. Really great. That's great.
Man, these guys are different, man.
Yeah.
Every video, I feel like I'm like a broken record, but it's just amazing. You know, I feel like during our journey, you know, I didn't really understand motorsports, and I still really don't, but I can definitely appreciate the sport behind it.
Yeah.
Rather than just here's some dudes driving.
At least you recognize it's a sport.
Yeah.
And
I couldn't do any of this shit, dude. I'd be flipped over.
Right.
Immediately.
Right. Yeah, it's not for the weak. That's for damn sure. Oh, buddy.
Oh, my God.
Yo. Hell yeah. Woo, come on. Oh, shit. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
And it kept going. Hell yeah.
Oh.
Dang. That was multiple barrel rolls over. Just
oh man. Well, I feel like it's so hard to regain control after you go airborne and you come down weird.
Right.
And it looks like that's dirt. So you know the grip's gone.
Right. There's no grip at all.
No. But shit, dude. This is like unlocks fears. Not just like as a driver or a navigator, right? Like a lot of these guys have, but as like a spectator. That's terrifying.
Well, right. I mean, we've discussed it multiple times how in rallying, especially particularly Group B, people were the crowds were like right there, and you were like this close to a car.
Yeah,
which is ridiculous.
I would find a tree. I would just find a tree and just stay right behind it the whole time.
Oh, 100%, dude.
Man.
Man. What a move. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Nice one. Tokyo Drift.
Wow.
Dirt track.
Ooh. Man. Oh.
Yo.
Oh.
Up and over.
that was almost like foreseeable when he was just like boom, 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 boom. I was like, okay, there's no way you can control that from multiple bumps like that. There's just I don't see how you're not knocked out cold after the first one.
I don't know, man. Just the laws of motion. Just keep it going. You probably are, knocked out, and then the car just keeps doing its thing.
Keeps doing its thing.
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh my God.
Yeah, buddy. It's no joke.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Come on.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yo, he just literally got wrapped around that tree.
Holy crap. Oh.
Man, he just took a tree out.
Man. That car was hustling too to take out a tree like that.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh.
Man.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
How close they were. That's
Holy
what's
crap.
giving it for me. Ugh. God.
Man. I mean, hear me out. This is a question, Spence. I'm assuming you have to hit those turns at a certain speed to achieve what you want to achieve, right?
Yeah.
It's like you got to go fast. If you're going slow, it's not going to be the same. Your car's going to act differently, right?
Like, well, I mean, depends on how. It kind of goes to a saying that you have of, fast, so slow is fast, and
oh, got it. Slow is smooth.
Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. So, I mean, it's about car control and awareness of the corner, and like some people just have the instinct of when they need to brake, when they need to drift, and
man,
it's just situational awareness. And I think this guy overshot it a bit.
Man, and got all the way up to those people, man. If it weren't for those trees, dude, those people would be carrying a car in their laps.
Yeah, that's not good.
Wow. Agora está louco, perdido.
Wow.
Now they just run onto the road after that. I'm like, that could never happen.
No, that's the last place I would ever be caught dead is on the road. Like during one of these.
And they're probably, those people that do that are probably calling us wimps for that.
Oh yeah, for sure. I will proudly wear that banner.
Yeah, I'm cool with that. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm all the way up a hill behind a tree or a house or a wall.
Yeah, sipping margaritas and not worrying about wearing a car on my lap.
Yeah, I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, dude. Oh man!
Like what the hell? That train came out of nowhere.
Right? God
Hmm.
damn.
Wow, I wouldn't approach that one because I can't tell from this angle, but is it a power line?
That was a
It could,
power line. It just
yeah,
the stick just went boom and just stayed there. No,
yeah,
thank you.
yeah,
Not getting near
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. You could get shocked,
Yeah,
and
hell
not in a
yeah.
good way.
Nope.
Mm.
Allez-y vite, monsieur le commissaire! Au commissaire!
Oh.
Refer back to what we said earlier about being far away from this.
Yep. Well,
Yeah.
I guess if you're going to be on a turn, you want to be on you want to hug the inside if you're going to be a spectator.
Yeah.
Because you know the cars are going to try to go wide, right?
Right,
Like,
right.
That's crazy though. The guardrail?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't think so, Scooter.
Nope.
Just tight turns, man.
What?
Uh-oh, he's about to Austin Powers it. He's gonna leave this guy behind.
His navigator. He's like, I got time. I don't have time for this.
Oh my god. Wow.
I thought he was just gonna go doot 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 doot. Get stuck like that at the course.
Oh man,
bro.
Mr. M, another great one. Thanks for this one. This was fun.
Yep.
Yeah, y'all let us know since we're putting this on ETG first if y'all would like us to continue on rally on this channel because this we have a lot of fun with it.
We always love our motorsports. We've always that's just like music. That's like part of the makeup of who we are on YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? So
exactly.
Oh man.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, watch another video. Thank you, channel members. And what now, Dan?
Unplug and do something legendary, guys.